finally spring and we have two outdoor projects today. The first of which is rebuilding our garden bed. So we built this April 2020. It's finally starting to rot out. This side over here is starting to kick out too. So we're going to rebuild it with pine again. I was going to initially build it out of pressure treated, but after some quick research, we don't really want pressure treated chemicals leaching into where we're going to be growing food that we're going to be eating. The other obvious choice would be cedar, but the options are limited and it's obviously quite expensive. So we're just going to do pine again. What I am going to do is line the inside with some plywood, and that's just to give a little bit more life to it. So for the first few years, it'll be the plywood that's kind of rotting away slowly before it gets to the actual structural frame. So this one lasted us exactly 5 years. So I think by lining it with the plywood, giving it a few more years of life, this will last, 7-8 years. And then at that point, we'll probably build it out of galvanized steel, so we never have to rebuild it again. All right, just wrapping up our garden bed project. Came out pretty good. So again, we built it out of pine. Probably going to get 7 years out of it. The last one, we got 5. This one's a little bit more robust. Then after that, probably do galvanized steel in close to a decade. Could have done cedar, would have been probably 4 times as much. This was priced at about $250 all said and done. So cedar would have been closer to $1,000. So I'm fine just making it out of pine and rebuilding it in close to a decade. Came out pretty good. So it's much bigger than before. This netting type stuff that we let our vining vegetables grow up also works awesome as a privacy barrier. So like when we're in the fire pit on the other side, that's a good privacy barrier. Then the other privacy barrier is the stack of wood, which we have to deal with another day. But other than that, this is much more robust, rigid, whatever you want to call it, than the other one. Probably about 30% or so bigger than the last one, so we have a lot more room. But other than that, we'll be looking forward to growing some vegetables there this summer.